The trick with crystals is that you need to make them your own and program them with a specific intention before they can start working for you. Regularly cleansing and recharging your crystals is important since these stones absorb or redirect the energy in and around you. This act of care can also re-energize your own sense of purpose. In this video, you will learn exactly how to cleanse your crystals. One of the popular ways to cleanse is using sea salts. Immersing your stone into a mixture of sea salt and water can help rid your stone of unwanted energy. If the stone is not brittle, using sea salt should be fine. However, you don't want to put a porous stone that has lots of little holes or ridges like pyrite and hematite in salt water, since it can get damaged. You can simply use running water to cleanse your crystal. Holding your crystal under running water is also a very effective cleaning method. As you do so, ask the universe to remove all of its negativity. I usually imagine a ray of white light around the stone as I clean and fill it with wisdom. Using other stones to clean is also very effective and quite easy. Certain crystals associated with purification like carnelian and clear quartz are also thought to actually cleanse other stones. Stack these stones on top of any crystals that need clearing, or keep them all in the same bag when you travel. Placing your crystals underneath the full moon works like a charm. On the next full moon, place any crystals you'd like to cleanse on your windows to soak up some of the lunation's refreshing energy. Another way of utilizing moon's magic powers is to bathe your crystals in moon water. Moon water is exactly what it sounds like, distilled water that has been left to charge under the magical energy of the full moon. The energy released from aroma of natural incense can purify a crystal perfectly. To cleanse crystals with a natural incense, just light the incense of your choice and use a heat-resistant container or fireproof incense burner. Once the smoke starts to rise, you can pass your crystal through the incense smoke a few times or until you feel it is done. You want to try to have the smoke touch every part of your crystal. As with any form of cleansing, you should have a clear intention while doing it. You could focus on cleansing any negative or unbalanced energy. So, when should you cleanse your crystals? Well, there are a few times that it is recommended to cleanse your crystals. When you first purchase your crystals and bring them home, it's a good idea to cleanse them of any energies they might have picked up. You might also want to cleanse them if you are going through intense or difficult times and are in need of as much positive energy. Ideally, you want to cleanse them on a regular basis. Once a month is a good guide to start with. That way they are always ready to go when you need their gentle support. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos on mindfulness. Check out these other videos on our channel. As always, thank you for your positive energy at Brahmas Life Science.